case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1987, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Tull v. United States, which focused on the Seventh Amendment's guarantee of a jury trial in civil penalty suits. The case involved a real estate developer accused of violating the Clean Water Act by filling in wetland areas on multiple properties. The government sued the developer for injunctive relief and civil penalties, including a $250,000 fine. The developer requested a jury trial to determine their liability and the amount of the penalty, but the district court denied their request, opting for a bench trial instead. Although the developer did not dispute their actions, they argued that the properties in question did not qualify as wetlands. This raised questions regarding the Seventh Amendment's guarantee of a jury trial for civil penalty and injunctive relief actions under the Clean Water Act, as well as Congress's ability to authorize judges to assess civil penalties while still complying with the Seventh Amendment. The Supreme Court ultimately decided that the petitioner had a constitutional right to a jury trial to determine their liability, but the trial court should determine the amount of the penalty, if any. The court affirmed that Congress had the power to establish civil penalties, and that assessing these penalties was not a fundamental aspect of a jury trial. The case was sent back for further proceedings in line with the court's ruling.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.